Hi, this is Mrs. Baracchino, and I wanted to show you the tank where our little babies came from. So this is my tank at home, and you can see that there's 3 lyre-tailed mollies here. The one in the center here is Jerry. She's the mama. You can see she's got quite a full belly. She's given birth twice within a month. And I just wanted to show this as an example of a way that I keep my curiosity alive, even as an adult. I've just always loved animals so much. I find that there's just never enough I can know about them and how to make sure I'm keeping care of them. And so you can see I have all live plants in here, which I love gardening. And these guys are schooling fish, which means they like to hang out together. They're called cardinal tetras, neon tetras. If you turn the lights down, they really shimmer. And then you can see over here, I wanted to show you what our baby mollies looked like. These ones are only about a week old right now, but they were even more tiny than that when they first came out. So there's about 5 of them that have not been eaten by Jerry, Roman, and Carrie here. Luckily, the neon tetras are a little too small to eat the babies. I also have some cool ones called endlers. They're pretty small guys too. But that's one way that I keep my curiosity alive, is it just makes me ask so many questions when I look at something like this. That's an assassin snail. That is a type of snail that eats other snails, because I started having way too many of this other type of snail. But don't worry, they do not eat these snails. Look at how gorgeous those guys are. And there's a little baby lyre-tail right there, a little baby molly. And it also lets me experiment. Actually, that plant right there, that was in my house just as a house plant, and I experimented, and it actually turns out it can live underwater, which is pretty darn amazing. So I want you to think about maybe what makes your curiosity stay alive, because sometimes we lose that sense of wonder when we get older, because we get discouraged because people start telling us we're wrong about things. And I had to walk into a lot of pet stores and they told me I was doing things totally wrong, but I just said, I don't care. I'm going to keep trying it anyway, and I sure learned a lot about water. There's a lot of chemistry that goes in to water. Those are the endlers. They're brightly colored, so those are male endlers. There's one female endler right there. She came as a baby, actually accidentally in the bag. So I would love to know, what makes you curious? How do you make sure you keep your curiosity alive?